Welcome back or welcome to this channel. Today we're talking about something that many of us carry silently, money trauma, and how we can begin healing in harmony with the energy of the autumnal equinox. So if you're feeling anxious, stuck, or even ashamed when it comes to your finances, you are not alone and you're not broken. This season is offering us a doorway. The autumnal equinox marks a moment of balance when day and night stand in equal light. It's a cosmic pause, a time to reflect, to release, and to realign. In ancient traditions, this was the second harvest when communities gathered what had been grown and they began preparing for the darker months ahead. So, in your own life, this is a powerful time to ask, what have I been harvesting in my financial life? What beliefs or patterns or wounds am I ready to release? Money trauma often starts young. Maybe you grew up in a home where money was scarce, where financial instability felt like a storm always looming. Or maybe money was used as control, as power, as shame. Well, these experiences live in the nervous system. They shape how safe or unsafe you feel around giving, receiving, and simply having money. And healing this is deep work, but I promise you it is possible. Let's use this equinox as a sacred pause to do three things. One, acknowledge what hurts. Take a moment to name your money pain without judgment. Speak it, write it, witness it. It could be something like, I'm afraid I'll never have enough. I feel guilty for wanting more. I panic every time I check my bank account. Naming it is the beginning of softening it. Number two, reclaim what's yours. Remember, money itself is not evil, it's not greedy, it's not cold. That's projection. Money is a neutral energy meant to support life, flow, and creation. So ask yourself, what does a healthy relationship with money look like for me? What values do I want to bring into how I earn, spend, and share? So reimagine money not as a threat, but as a resource. The third is release what no longer serves you. So you can write down the beliefs or the fears or the patterns you're ready to let go of. Let the autumnal falling leaves remind you that letting go is sacred. It could be something like, I release the belief that I'm unworthy of abundance, or I release the fear that having money means I'll be alone, or something like, I release scarcity as my identity. You get to choose a new story. So as we move into the darker half of the year, remember, this is not a death, but a descent, a time to turn inward, to rest, to root. So let your healing around money be slow, seasonal, and self-compassionate, please. It's not a sprint, it's not a hustle, but a return to trust. You are not your bank account, you are not your past. You are worthy of safety, support, and sufficiency. This equinox, may you find balance again. So if this video spoke to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. So until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.